Hi everyone, thought I'd update you on a project I've been working on my shed. This is my solar powered shed and I'm going to show you around inside. So here's the RFID reader, should go green with the correct key fob. Obviously it will go red without. The lights turn on inside the shed and the lock releases. There we go. Painted and designed these standoffs so the lock would fit properly to my door. And here we have what controls it all. Fed from my solar power charge unit. It powers this Raspberry Pi Zero and a relay switch, which switches between the lights and the lock. And obviously all the wires here also feed to the RFID reader in the window. I designed and 3D printed all of these cases to hold all the electronics. Now to exit, we just use the 3D printed button I've made here. It cuts out the lights. You can see all the LED lights are out. And now I can step out and close the door. Give a couple of seconds delay. And there we go.